USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN 78, is the lead ship in the Ford class of aircraft carrier, the first new class in more than 40 years, and will begin the phased replacement of Nimitz-class carriers. CVN 78 honors the 38th President of the United States and pays tribute to his lifetime of service in the Navy, in the U.S. government and to the nation. During World War II, Ford attained the rank of Lieutenant Commander in the Navy, serving on the light carrier USS Monterey, CVL-26. Ford became president and served in the country's highest office from 1974 to 1977. Mission: the USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN 78, is a first-in-class aircraft carrier, and the first new aircraft carrier designed in over 40 years. The sailors who serve aboard Ford are tasked with ensuring the ship is able to execute national tasking for decades to come. Although it appears similar to a Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, there are many features that make Ford unique. First-in-class technology includes a new nuclear plant, the ability to generate nearly 3 times the amount of electrical power, innovative advanced arresting gear, and the electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS. EMALS replaces the steam catapult system traditionally used to launch aircraft and will expand the aircraft launch envelope, paving the way for innovations in manned, unmanned aircraft as well as providing the opportunity for other technological advancements in the future.